Hey guys, welcome to another informative video on the Digital Anki YouTube channel. I'm Nanda Kishore for digitalanki.com. So one of my friend called me and he said he's unable to open his website. He was working on it and suddenly he's continuously getting some error message and he really couldn't do anything. And that's the title of this video, which you guys clicked on it, and I'm sure you guys also going through the same problem. So I got a solution for this. You can do this in few simple steps, which I'll show you right now. So let's get started. So I'll tell you real quickly why this error shows up for you on your website. So when you're trying to update some of the plugins, you really can't update due to some technical reasons, and you will end up crashing your site and you will see an error message just like this. So if I refresh this, there has been a critical error on this website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. You don't need to do anything. So I'll click this link and it shows the steps to fix this error. I made it simple for you guys. I have done all those research and you guys can skip that and just follow the steps that I show you in this video. The first step is log in to your hosting cPanel dashboard. So my site is hosted on Hostinger. The same procedure you just have to follow for other hosting as well. There would be slight difference in the interface, but you just have to get the things that I show you right now. Now click on manage next to your hosting or cPanel admin. This option you will get it once you click on manage, especially in GoDaddy. If you click on cPanel admin, you will be able to access the cPanel dashboard. So once you have arrived to the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the files option. Under that, click on file manager and it opens up the file manager. Now don't click on anything, just click this option, public_html. On the right hand side panel, you will see the folder WP content. Select that and open the folder. Now you will see this folder plugins. Don't open, just select and right click on that and click on rename. Now you have to rename this folder to plugins_new and click on rename. That's it. Now go back to your website and click on refresh. There we go. We are able to access our site. Now another important step, what you have to do is go to plugins, and as you can see, all our installed plugins are deactivated automatically and you don't see any of the plugins here because we have moved all of them to a new folder. Alright, let's quickly go back to your hosting file manager, and now the plugin folder we renamed earlier has to be changed again to its original name. So click on the plugins folder and right click and select rename and remove _new and hit rename. Okay, now go to your WordPress plugins and click refresh. There we go. We got all the plugins back, but it's not activated. Let's activate all of them one by one. Now to make sure the site is working properly, I'll just quickly open it and show you. Yeah, it's working fine. So that's it guys. Hope you are able to fix this issue. Just follow the steps I showed in this video and then you are good to go. If you're still facing any sort of issues, then let me know in the comment section below. Feel free to ask me any sort of questions. I'll be more than happy to help you. So if you are new around here, then please subscribe to Digital Anki YouTube channel because a lot of interesting informative videos will be posted regularly. Thank you guys. See you in my next interesting video. As always, keep learning new things and share your knowledge. Peace out.